these events are good because number one, you're bringing all the experts from the industry together, and usually the topics are very stimulating. So on one hand, it's good to hear what people say on the stage, whether as a speaker or in a different forum, but then you have these interactions outside of those presentations, and that's where you get a lot of stimulating thoughts being shared, new ideas, new ways of working. So I think the tremendous value is in those interactions.
Here I get to experience and talk with all of the other peer organizations in pharmaceutical to understand and see what they're doing.
It's kind of nice to get granular on a lot of these topics because you go to these conferences and you see things where it's like, we're going to talk about AI very broadly, but it doesn't always have an application for your industry. And having a specialized group in the pharmaceutical industry, having panelists and experts all kind of going through what you're going through and trying to learn makes it really, really valuable.
I thought there was good, deep discussion on some of the topics that really helped the audience sort of get the sense of what was going on in commercialization here in the pharma industry. So really quite pleasant.
I loved the content strategy conversation, especially with my learning and development hat on. We're always talking about content strategy and envisioning our learners within our own organization, even as consumers.
Quite a lot of similar challenges across companies with content, and there's a lot of ways of what can be done to improve overall content space in pharma, whether it's solutions, ways of operating, right, operating models, and so on.
I would say absolutely. Come prepared with questions, come prepared with ideas and thoughts that you have, and take advantage of the opportunity to learn and network. And it might seem overwhelming because there's so much to take in, but it's a very valuable event to come to.
Don't miss it. If you happen to hear about this, just go and attend the program. At least we happen to see the people around and the C-suite people.
I would say that it's well worth the effort to get here. We know in this day and age it's often hard to get away even for a day, but if you can do that, it's well worth being here.